welcome back to my channel. This is Brunette Wig Place and I'm Lisa. I am so glad that you are here today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and then every time I post a new wig related video or anything to my YouTube channel, you will get a notification that I have posted something new. So today I am wearing a very cute style by Tony of Beverly. This is Arya, and the color on Arya is Kahlua. And I want to thank VogueWigs for sending me this wig to review for you all today. So Arya is a really cute style. I've seen her on a lot of reviewers. She's been around for a while, and she looks great on everybody. And I love a style that's like that, that suits a lot of different face shapes, that's an easy wig to wear. It's a great everyday piece, great summer piece with this shorter length, very cool and comfortable. So I'm just really happy with this cute little wig. So I'm gonna do a spin so you can see her all the way around, and then we'll get into all of her specifications. So here she is from the front. Right side. I love how how they have the hair pointing towards the chin. I always think that looks feminine and chic and just very pretty. The back, left side, and back to the front. Okay, so this color is called Kahlua, and it is a very pretty brunette with a gold highlight going through it. So they describe it as a medium brown with 25% gold highlights. And I like the way they placed the highlights because they placed a lot of it around the front here and right around that lace front, which is great because then you have those lighter colors in your lace front, and that really makes your lace front invisible. So very nice placement of the highlights, but the highlights do go all through the wig. You can see them, you know, just kind of popping up in places all through the wig. So just really, really cute, but they really concentrated them towards the front, which is, when I used to get my hair highlighted, they used to always concentrate the highlights towards the front. So very natural looking. So really, really cute. As far as her measurements, she does have a bang, and I have had a little bit of a face flop problem with her. So I have just been working with her, training her. Probably a little synthetic safe hairspray is in order to just, you know, spritz that, get it out of the way. You could even put a little steam on it if it just gets to be a really big deal. But the nice thing about the bangs that she has are that if you want to cut the bang and have, you know, complete forehead coverage, it's very easy to do that. There's bang on both sides here of that left side mono part, and you could just, you know, they are 5 to 5.25 ounces right now, or excuse me, inches right now. So you would want to, you know, shorten them unless you just have a very, you know, long forehead. But, you know, but they would be very easy to just shorten, and you could cut a bang across the front. So her other measurements are, she is 8 to 8.5 inches from the crown. Her sides are 6 to 7 inches. She does have some layers, but obviously those layers don't begin until about 6 inches in. So, and then her nape is 2.5 to 3 inches back here. So she is short, you know, a shorter bob, but, you know, not a pixie style at all. So just really, really cute. So let me show you her lace front. She is an average size cap, by the way, and I have a petite head, and she's moving around on me. I would probably need a wig grip, you know, for her. So, but I will show you the lace front here. Lace front is, like I said, very nice, very well done. I like how they place that light color right up at that lace front. You do have the appearance of scalp here with the left side mono part. Now, I kind of had some trouble getting the zigzag out, so the part is kind of tight. So that is something, get her arranged again here. That is something that, you know, if you want a little bit wider part, you'd have to go in there and maybe pluck it, but I think it's fine, in my opinion, and for me, it looks just fine. And then ear tabs on her. She looks super cute too when you tuck her behind the ears. Ear tabs are very nice. She's got a generous piece of metal in there. I'm getting good coverage around the face, which I really like. You know, so if you do have more hair under there, of course I don't have a lot of hair under there, I think you would get pretty good coverage with her. So really, really pretty. Really cute style. So let me pop her off and we can look at the inside of her cap. Cap is so light, and it's so soft and like just flexible, and I don't know what the right word is, just very soft and easy to manage and very comfortable. Okay, so there is her lace front. As you can see, lace front looks really, really good. and then left side monopart. She has some closed lace here, but I'm not feeling any permatease. I'll look again and just double check, but then she's got these soft velvety felt ear tabs there. She does not have an extended nape, but she doesn't need one. She has a very short nape, but this is that soft velvety material. She has Velcro adjusters, which are great. Once you get them in their spot, then just leave them right there. And then open wefting all through the cap. But like I said, the cap is just, it's very soft and very comfortable. So I really like that. So let's take a peek under here and see. No, I'm not seeing permatease at all on the top of her where that closed lace is. So she's just got that closed lace top, but just wefting on top of that. So she's low density, which y'all know I love a low density wig. I love a low density, natural, comfortable, easy wearing wig. So, and she definitely checks all of those boxes. So really, really cute. Okay, so let's take this color Kahlua outside and we'll look at it outside in the natural light. Okay, so here we are outside. I am under my patio cover right now. Sorry, the air conditioners are going off. Looking at this Kahlua color. So as you can see, they concentrated those highlights at the front, but then they just go into more of a subtle, gold blonde as you get away from the front. So the highlights are a little heavier in the front on this color, but like I said, it's very natural. It's very pretty. Okay, we'll get her out here in the sun. The sun's not right in my face, so I can see here. Very pretty. Great brunette, especially for summer. Super comfortable little wig too. Okay, really pretty color. Let's check. Okay, so we are back inside with Arya by Tony of Beverly in the color Kahlua. I hope that you could see those highlights and everything out there in the sun. They really pop and they're very, very pretty out there in the natural light. So since I have my sunglasses in my hand still, I just thought that I would show you. Glasses are very, very easy with her. Her ear tabs are really nice. Not too thin and floppy, not too thick. Work great with glasses. So very, very easy wig. And then you can also pop your glasses up on top of your head. I like to do that. That's just what I did with my natural hair, and I really love it when I can do that with a wig. It just makes the wig feel that much more natural on my head. You could also just set them on top there. So, I just really like that. I like wigs to feel like the hair that I used to have. It's just fun that I get to pick whatever style, right? So as far as styling her, you can pull these bangs off the face because you've got that great lace front. And she looks cute just with a real simple clip or something like that. You could also use a headband on her. You could pull the hair itself back, or you could just stick the headband in. But she looks really cute with the headband, and she's got, like I said, great ear tabs. You could pull a little bit of the bang down if you want to, or you could leave it back in the headband. But great ear tabs, great coverage on the ear tabs, so she's very easy to pull back. She's also really, really cute tucked behind the ear. And that's just gives you another option if you want to wear her tucked. Some people like to tuck behind the ears and keep the hair behind their ears, or if you just, she's not too bad. Like I said, the bang wants to kind of flop in my face, but I think that's something I just need to maybe shorten a little bit or just work with it maybe with some steam to get it to quit flopping. But, that just gets that hair. These sides don't flop in your face, but it does get it off your face if you just have a preference for that. So anyway, she is just a really, really cute style. I can't get over how comfortable this wig is. It just is very, very comfortable, lightweight. I barely feel it on my head. I don't know if I mentioned the weight. I don't think they gave me the weight, but she's really lightweight. She's got to be 3 something, I would guess. So, but she is an average cap. She's fitting my head fairly well, a little bit big, but I just probably need to tuck those adjusters in and then she would fit great. So really, really cute, cute piece. So I recommend her, Arya by Tony of Beverly, and this color, of course, is Kahlua. Again, I want to thank VogueWigs for sending me this to review for you today. Information for purchase will be below in the information section. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye!